Donc on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo. Donc on est sur assez voilà là pour le deuxième épisode. Et là on doit aller parler à Randvi. Donc c'est là-bas. Et oui, du coup on est arrivé à Thornberg pour bah, après avoir été capturé.
They must be finished now.
If you have any other business, it may be wise to do it now. Let him cool down.
I could speak to Volker first. Get this weight off my mind.
The king is not going anywhere.
Accomplir, ok. Donc faut que je fasse... Ah. Oh. Ezio, Altaïr, Bassim. Ah ça on connaît ça. Black Flag. Ça. Je sais plus c'est dans lequel. Ça je crois c'est le 1 et celui-là c'est le 2. Moi je sais plus. Ouais moi j'ai envie de rester dans le... Ah mais j'ai un nouveau arc. Un nouvel arc pardon plutôt. Ça du coup c'est... Cap de Charlemagne. Oh. Bon bah je prends. Détail, ouais. Y a pas photo. C'est plus... Elle est plus puissante que l'autre. Dans le sac y a quoi? Ok. C'est quoi ça? Ruine d'armes. Ruine. Ah oui, on peut mettre des runes. Bah bien. Du coup la quête c'était... Ça, réconfort d'une Volva. C'est tout en haut. Bah allez. Ok donc on a une monture. Alors faut savoir que moi personnellement j'utiliserai presque jamais les montures. Parce que déjà bah... Non pas que c'est une perte de temps mais enfin non. Bah, moi j'aime bien le faire à pied. Ça peut être long mais... De toute façon avec les points de synchro et tout ça tu peux te téléporter. C'est vite fait hein. À chaque normalement pour chaque quête t'as un point de synchro juste à côté donc c'est simple. Ouais, je suis en train de ah mais c'est peut-être les récompenses du Ubisoft Club. Quoi ça? Ça sert à quoi? Oh l'égyptienne. Minerai de fer. En tout cas les graphismes ils sont incroyables. Comme l'univers il est quand même pas mal. Ah, franchement t'as... Comment dire? Pas trop une... Je peux pas appeler ça une religion parce que bah non du coup c'est la mythologie nordique et tout ça c'est... Moi je trouve ça incroyable. Même si j'ai plus un petit faible pour la mythologie grecque. Bon après ça n'a rien à voir mais bon. Bon, je pense que ça va être au niveau je sais pas, de l'église, clocher ou je sais pas quoi. Oh, les graphismes de la neige. Cabane de... Ouais bah voilà c'est ça. Mais ça c'est même plus une cabane là, c'est un temple ça, hein, chef. Pas une cabane ça. Ça va. Lire. 2 poulets de la part de Sneyfried pour ses récoltes. Un mouton de Torah pour la bénédiction de sang de son enfant. Ok. Donc, allons parler à Valka.
Hamuram. Hamuram.
Valka?
Hush. I need silence to hear the songs of nature. Hamuram. Hamuram.
Svala.
She gives praises and she is greeted. For your hearing I hearken, O ancient ones, great Odin, great Freya. I give you thanks for your gift of Seder. She gives thanks and she is blessed. Eivor, it has been some time. What brings you so far to see me?
I have come for your advice on a private matter.
Come.
Is your mother well?
Her mind is a jumble. She speaks to spirits. I fear her final winter has come, but she has me. Now, let her speak to your needs.
I have had a vision. A powerful vision. It may have been my battle lust, or a delirium caused by the cold, but
Describe it for me.
after 17 years, I saw my father's axe again. And when I touched it, the vision came on fast. There was a wolf, howling and fierce, and then a figure. A grey beard in a cloak, with a single eye. He bid me follow him.
The High One. He calls to you. Perhaps he means to speak with you, deliver a message. Only through Seder will you see more clearly and unravel the threads that sit tangled upon your mind. This will not take long.
What are you brewing?
An elixir to loosen your hugur and unwind your thoughts. You will enter a waking sleep and journey to the world of dreams.
Ça me fait penser au
It may
chaman dans Far
confuse
Cry.
or disorient you, but you must take note of all you see. Drink.
Ça se voit, il a pas envie
If
de
you
boire.
seek true understanding.
Comment il s'est couché.
I saw nothing, Volka. Felt nothing.
Harvey!
Huh?
Harvey!
I walk among the dead. Sigurd. Sigurd! Brother, when did you arrive? What is this?
Oh, c'est bizarre.
What is this?
There was no other way, Javi. Our fates are fixed.
Sigurd! Sigurd! What has happened?
This was not for you, Javi.
C'est quoi ces visions de malade?
Steady, Eivor. It is Valka. I am here.
Gods, I thought I... What was that?
Tell me everything.
I was on a mountain in a...
You...
I did...
But you...
No.
You...
Oh!
Alors voilà, de toute façon, il raconte ce qui s'est passé donc. Bah du coup pour aller le chemin, on va faire un petit cut. Donc voilà, on est de retour au village. Voilà, du coup pendant que je faisais le chemin, il y a eu un peu de grimpe et tout ça. Et je trouve quand même que par rapport à... Bah je prends par exemple Assassin's Creed Odyssey, vu que c'est celui que j'ai fait, que j'ai fini il y a 2 jours. C'est quand même plus fluide sur Valhalla que sur Odyssey quoi. Bon, c'était juste un petit point comme ça.
They must be finished now.
The king has called for his best mead, so the talks are concluded. It should be safe to enter.
I'm ready to face the thunder. We'll
Allez,
speak with the king now.
Excellent, King Styrbjorn. I will take this proposal to my nephew. I believe he will see the wisdom in it.
Good. It is all I can hope for.
ah
May
oui, c'est toujours le même roi.
May the winds favor your voyage, Guthormer. Eivor, come forward and explain in plain words why you have willfully disobeyed my commands. Do you mock me?
I do not mock you, king. I mean to embolden you against your enemies and your own poor judgment.
You know nothing of my judgment. You know nothing of my plans and strategies.
Sigurd would agree with me.
My son might agree with you, but he would obey me. He knows his place.
Not as well as he knows his father.
Imagine you are harassed by an enemy with warriors that vastly outnumber your own. What profit does open war bring? Would it not be better to work quietly through diplomacy, gaining alliances? Waiting until the day our numbers outweigh our enemies and our victory is guaranteed.
Do we have any allies to speak of?
C'est une réelle
Or
question
is
ça.
that your excuse to do nothing?
Parce qu'on en dit qu'on fait des batailles par-ci par-là, mais pas d'alliés. Hein.
Your confidence blinds you to so much in plain sight, Eivor. Day and night I toil to forge ties with clans to the north. Very soon you will see the fruits of my efforts. Only then will you understand.
Is that all?
I'm at a loss with you, Eivor. When I took you in as my own, never did I imagine such disrespect from the child of Varin. Your father was a fine man. Just and loyal to me, he died bravely so that we might live.
He died a coward, Lord. A fate I will not mirror.
Why do you carry such a useless burden? Let it go! Think only of the days to come, of your future and the victories at hand.
My honor has been stained. Until it's wiped clean, I want nothing else.
I refuse to pick at that wound again. But if there is something that can chase these shadows from your thoughts...
Sigurd has come! Down at the docks, his ship is here!
Ah, donc ça veut dire que mon frère il est arrivé. En fait, c'est pas vraiment mon frère. C'est mon... Bon, je considère ça comme mon frère.
Hey, careful with that one. This morning we traded with a ship passing south.
Ouais, je vous ai fait un petit cut parce que c'était un peu long.
I thought long and hard on a gift worthy of you.
You've snared my curiosity, brother. What is it?
Not yet. Drinks first. To my first night in Fornburg in over 2 winters. It must end with me soaked and wall-eyed, shouting at the shadows of Troll.
And you won't wait.
Yes.
Tu fais que de chez... Oh là.
Forgive me. It is good to have you back, Sigurd.
Ouais, parce que,
Yes.
a priori, ça fait
I've missed this terribly. When I first met
longtemps qu'ils
Basim,
sont...
I regale these excellent men
Qui
were
sont-
my
qui
they are a
est parti,
clan.
quoi.
In my time with them, they shared many of the. I gift one of these
Basim.
secrets to you. A weapon for the finest warrior I know.
C'est le perso principal dans... Ah, c'est Mirage.
Beautiful craftsmanship.
It is less a weapon than a tool.
A
Do
tool?
not make a fetish out of cold metal, Haifa. Please, try it on. The blade should ride on the underside of your arm, to conceal it from your target.
I have no wish to hide this. And I would rather not make the same mistake you two have.
Il veut pas se couper le doigt.
I like it.
A good start, Eivor. But you must learn how to use it effectively.
Outside.
Lead on.
En vrai, je comprends, moi aussi, j'aimerais pas me couper le doigt. Bon, allez, viens, chef.
This clan of yours, it has a
Ils
name?
sont toujours longs.
Indeed. But among the tenets of our creed is a vow to never reveal too much to outsiders. In time, you may learn more. Not here.
Donc voilà. Bah, du coup, j'ai fait l'entraînement avec
What
la
do you
lame.
make of my new friends?
They seem
on
generous
doit suivre
and
Sigurd.
menacing in equal measure.
I know what you mean.
Son
They
épée, elle
have
est stylée
learning
quand même.
too.
Hein.
They wield numbers
Après, même
and
la hache, elle est
writing as if it
incroyable.
were magic. Basim has shown me so much about the
Ok,
world.
donc il nous emmène sur les
All of
quais.
which I will share with you when... Oh, I miss the smell of this land.
Have you returned for good? Or do you mean to join this Shadow Brotherhood?
Leave all that aside, Eivor. Tonight we are family again. The here and now is what matters. Our kinship, our clan, our glory.
I missed you, brother. Your clear head and your courage. We have not had enough of both in recent months.
You flatter me, Wolf-Kissed. Keep it up.
Ils sont trop d'enfer, les
I will
vikings.
always be on your side, Sigurd.
Cheveux en arrière attachés.
This fjord
Rasé
has
sur les
grown
côtés,
too
c'est incroyable.
small to contain me, or I too large. There is so much more beyond these stony fangs that rise around us. England, Ireland, Francia, all greener pastures, ripe for the plucking. Tomorrow, we make new war on Kjotve, and reclaim the lands he took from us.
I'm with you. Only say the word.
Good.
Ok, donc ça veut dire qu'on va... Bah, c'est à partir de ce moment-là, du coup, qu'on va, je suppose, traverser toute
The Northnir have spoken.
Pour le pays.
You will betray Sigurd.
No! This is wrong! That cannot be right! Odin for...
You will betray Sigurd.
Shit! Kjotve's warriors.
Ok, donc on a... Attends, mais là, est-ce qu'on est dans une vision ou... Tiens,
Let him come alone. I should find the others.
là-bas. Bon, t'inquiète pas que j'arrive. Je vais faire un massacre.
I have a bad feeling. Just the three of us. We should return to Notfall.
Tiens. Hop là.
Sigurd must know about this.
Rejoindre Sigurd. Ok, il est là-bas. Et du coup, bah, j'ai 2 points de compétence. Bah, je vais attendre d'avoir fini la quête là et puis j'irai voir mon compétences. Mais ouais, c'est bien parce qu'il donne, du coup, il donne des points de compétences, mais 2 par 2. Bon, normalement là, les gars, ils sont morts. Hein.
With each day we wait, Kjotve grows stronger.
We do not have the men to storm Kjotve's fortress. The losses would ruin us.
The losses have ruined us, father. Until we cut off this serpent's head, it will poison us day by day, drop by drop.
The
Il a pas
poison
tort.
has already polluted our waters.
Gods, Eivor, what happened?
Spies in our camp. 3 men sent by Kjotve to kill us as we slept. I returned the favor.
Ah oui,
There,
je
you
suis
see?
plein de sang. J'avais
This
pas vu
is
ça.
what waiting brings. We must answer this insult.
They came from Notfall, that whaling village.
We hid him there.
He may have sent...
No, I do.
Bon et bien sur ce, fin de l'épisode 2. Abonnez-vous, likez, commentez si vous voulez. Et puis je vous dis à bientôt pour l'épisode